How's it going, everybody? So today I just received my prize for winning the our Boosted Boards photo contest, and that prize is a boosted board bag as well as a swag bag, I believe, or some swag inside the bag. So I'm gonna open this and see what's inside. Alright, so we got the box open, and here's the bag itself. Wow. Damn, this is a high quality feeling bag. This is soft too. Alright, so I believe these are magnets here. Or not. Oh, okay, not magnet. So, okay. And here's the main pocket. I sort of have a general idea of how this bag works. This being an unboxing isn't an official review, but I'm gonna quickly go through how the bag works. So I mean, there's a zipper up here, and then you have your actual opening here, and there's a bunch of stuff inside. So I'm gonna take a look inside there through the side pocket here. So in here we have a boosted t-shirt, I believe. Nice, very nice. Put that inside. And then we have a boosted hat. Nice. Alright, haven't seen that. A boosted balaclava. And I'll be using this. I use a bunch of balaclavas myself, but a boosted branded one would be very nice to have. And another boosted shirt? Okay. Wait, what? They gave me 2 boosted shirts. This is a large. That's a medium. Okay, they didn't even give me the size that I asked for. That's fine. I'm a size small. Guess I can just give this to people. 2 boosted shirts, a boosted hat. Anything else in here? Alright, yeah, well, these are all the pockets in here. Looks like there's like 3 main sort of lengthwise pockets, as well as 2 zipper pockets. These are padded as well. Yeah, all the zipper pockets are padded. Very nice. Actually, all the pockets are actually padded. All of them except this sleeve right here. Side. Okay, that's the inside there. There's also a side pocket here. Oh, there's more stuff. Sick. I'm just gonna take them all out here. Boosted stickers. More boosted stickers. More boosted stickers. Oh, beep, beep, beep. That's funny. I like that. This is a phone grip that you put on the back of your phone. And finally, boosted socks. Nice. From Sock Guy. This is a brand. Cool. I'll put that right there. Alright, yeah, so this is a side pocket, or rather, a quick accessible pocket here. Close that up. Close this up, and I believe that's all the like main pockets. Oh shoot, is this? Oh wow. This actually like goes in like a magnet, but then you can slide it out. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So you can just pop this in as a magnet, but in order to take it out, you have to actually unclip it. That's cool. Alright, let's take a look at the back where the boosted board actually goes. Okay. Oh, okay. You just lift that. Have that, and then you unzip this, and this opens up. And this is where the boosted board will go. Actually, before that, there should be a little magnetic pouch here. That's where your remote is supposed to go. Alright, but yeah, this bag feels really solid. I'm gonna do an actual full review maybe in a few days or a week or two after I've actually worn it. Oh, this right here is also a magnetic reflective little thing. You can sort of put that anywhere, I guess. I think you could probably hook it here if you want. Yeah, for sure, you can definitely hook it right here. That works. And these you can also attach any like bike attachment, like lights or whatever, as well as probably right here as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. This was my unboxing of my prize for the R Boosted Board photo contest. If you're interested in seeing more electric skateboard related content, feel free to visit my channel. I have a bunch of videos like hoop rides, reviews, as well as more to come. I only recently started doing e-skate content, so if you want to subscribe, there's definitely going to be a lot more content coming up, especially over the summer when I'm working in New York City. I'll be recording a lot of e-skate content there. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.